Welcome to the Ultimate General Knowledge Quiz. This quiz is designed to challenge your knowledge across multiple topics including science, technology, world geography, history, and logic. If you can score 20 out of 40, so your brain is so impressive. So let's start the quiz right now. What does GPT stand for in AI technology? Generative Pre-trained Transformer. What is the capital of North Korea? Pyongyang. Which country has the largest rainforest area? Brazil. Which planet is the rover Perseverance exploring by NASA? Mars. Which sport uses a ring and hoop? Basketball. What does the pH scale measure? Acidity or alkalinity? Which group of elements is called noble gases? Group 18. Which company owns TikTok globally? ByteDance. In which year did the Berlin Wall fall? (1989). In tennis, what does the term ace mean? Perfect serve not touched by opponent. Which blood type is known as the universal recipient? IB positive. What does phishing mean in cybersecurity? Fake attempts to steal data. Which country is credited with modern football rules? England. Which country is known for the ancient city of Babylon? Iraq. Which ecosystem stores the most carbon naturally? Mangroves. What is the capital city of New Zealand? Wellington. What is the atomic number of oxygen? (8). What is cloud computing? Internet-based data storage and services. What is a QR code used for? Storing scannable digital information. Which number comes next in the pattern? (32). Which of the following city is known as the Big Apple? New York. Where was the first website created? CERN. What was the capital of the Roman Empire? Rome. Which country is famous for the city of Dubai? UAE. When did the Cold War officially end? (1991). What is the official marathon distance? (42.195 kilometers). Which is the largest human cell? Egg cell. The Saturn's ring is mainly made up of rock and ice. What is the main acid found in lemons? Citric acid. Which animal is known for its hump? Camel. What causes the ozone hole? CFC gases. Which of the following continent is known for penguins? Antarctica. What is malware? Harmful software. The Newton's first law of motion is about inertia. What is a black hole? Region where light cannot escape. How many chromosomes does a human have? (46). Which animal is the largest reptile? Crocodile. What is the chemical formula of pure water? H2O. How many overs are in a T20 cricket match per side? (20). What is the role of social media algorithms? Rank and recommend content.